Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to make a how to do it video. And the video is how to organize your garage. And as you see, well, it's not that unorganized, but we will fix it a little bit better, and hopefully you guys can take some help from me. And well, hopefully we can take that mess over there to something like this. So, well, my plan here is to put up this one to around there somewhere, and well, I have no idea how it's gonna be, but hopefully pretty good. Fingers crossed. These ones are super easy to put together, because all you have to do is to press these ones into these ones. Super easy. Really like the construction of this one. We are done with the small fix with our well, nuclear bomb, and the final result is like this.